Welcome back to another episode of Aussie Bucking. Last week Tyson and I did a cut for a gentleman named Paul. So we had the 044 running, mate of mine Jared, as I said in the video, and he's got a semi chisel on here with a 20 inch bar, but he took the rakers down and it ran horrible. It was just grabby, really hard on the saw, hard on the shaft, hard on everything, on the just damn hard on everything it was. And Tyson hated it, the way it felt. But what we're going to do today, we're going to run the saw again in this video, and then we're going to change it out. We pinched the one off the 500i, the chain. It's a full chisel, 24, and its bar. And what we're going to do is run both the saws then and see what difference it makes to the actual saw itself, how smooth it becomes. And I reckon this 70C can run a 24, and perhaps Jared, the owner, may go to a 24. I'm going to give him the option when he feels it, when he comes over and tests the saw. He will feel the difference, I'm sure he will. So it's still all dirty from the other day. We haven't cleaned this one up, so it's grubby. We've cleaned the other ones up. Yeah, so we had to stop there for a second. Tyson had a march fly in his eye, so I don't know what was wrong with him jumping around like that. But yeah, you reckon the march fly was too much for him. So, but this is what we're going to do for a run now, to test this saw, see how good it is, because they're supposed to be quite legendary. We've been doing more research on them, and a lot of blokes run them, so we want to give it a fair shot here. So it might be a really good saw, but we don't know because the chain's no good. Here we go, Tyson. Let's make some noise. So let's try the other chain and bar on now and see what happens. How's he feel, Tyson? Ready yet? So this is actually off the 500i, off that machine there, but it's the chain, identical chains, and about the same condition. They're both sharpened by me this morning. So it's the same there, and virtually the same there, as you can see. Tyson, I was looking there
I'm just making
for
sure
the viewers. Bloody hell.
Making sure it's all good.
Yeah, see that there's the same. And over that one there's the same. So we're going to run these two swords side by side soon. What a glorious sight. What do you reckon, Tyson? Have a go?
Should be pretty good.
Yep, let's go. it's a lot smoother, I'm going to say, and it seems to be just revving a little bit higher too, but it's just a lot smoother and easy to cut. So that's the difference when you got that, take the rakers down too much.
As an observation there, I reckon it's every time it hits one of the still stupid aggressive dogs,
Yep.
I reckon it's just making it bog down.
How's that wind though? Can we talk?
Yeah.
Are you filming now, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, Tyson, please.
That was gonna go on the video, man.
Well, it's a nice saw. It's a lot better, much better with that chain and bar on it. But it's no 462 and it's no 500i.
I think it's just more of a linear torque, low revving saw back in the day.
It's more for the agricultural type guys, maybe, without being insulting. But it's more like a farm type machine. That's how I feel about it. It hasn't got great torque, but it is run the 24. It's probably supposed to run a 20. It's not a great
But it is
torque
70.
machine.
It is 70 cc.
Yeah, 70 cc. I know, Tyson, but they're bit old school, aren't they?
Oh, I reckon it'd be easy 40 years old.
Well, it can't be 40 years old. Do your figures up.
Oh, it's like 35.
Well, you know the dates of them when they were built, don't you?
Yeah, it's probably like a 95 or something, or 90.
Well, you said the other day what they were built.
88 to 2001.
Yeah, well, there you go. See, it's only 20 odd years old. But Jared got given this saw about 10 years ago by a mate of his, so it didn't cost him anything. And he reckons it's always been the best saw ever. But maybe his skill of sharpening might have changed just a little bit more, and then she'll be a pretty good little chainsaw, I'd say. Anything else you want to add to it, Tyson? How's the bottom dogs going on it?
I reckon it's got the same disease that the other Stihls have, with the nasty dogs that grab the timber way too aggressively.
Yep, Tyson knows it straight away, and it was giving me trouble, and I didn't really know what it was.
Every
just to
single
start.
time it touches on the dog, it would bog down.
Yeah, and Tyson believes that the way I've been taking them up is up through there. Tyson, hey, you reckon they're better off being flat and coming back on this
shorter.
angle?
But
That
shorter,
way.
yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
They're way too long.
Yeah,
If
we'll cut these ones back and we'll show you.
If they ran a dog like a 572 does, just really like round edged and short, I reckon it'll pull way nicer and tinter.
Anyway. Tyson. Jared.
How you going, man?
Oh, Jared, this
G'day,
is
Steve.
Hey, Jared.
Yeah.
This is actually the owner of the saw. So
Yeah.
did you use chainsaw running?
I must have too. Yeah.
Well, you know they should know the sound
Yeah.
of yours, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got it running.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's your probably turn to have a go.
Yeah, right.
And see what it's like.
You happy
eh?
with it?
Yeah. Well, I'm very happy. I reckon it's a very good saw,
Oh, good.
Jared. Yeah.
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 Oh, that's great.
So we'll see how it turns out. Jared's going to have a run of it now.
Yeah.
Now that he's turned up. Yeah. So see how we go.
Beautiful.
Any better, Jared?
A lot better.
A lot better, right?
Yep, 100%.
Yeah. So what do you feel different about it?
I think feel like it just pulls through a lot better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, you can
it's not-
maximise its power a bit more now.
100%,
the
yeah.
top end of the power.
That's right.
It used to die down before and shake a lot.
Yep.
So it's fixed it, eh?
Yeah, 100% it is,
So would
yeah.
you go for another a 24 now that you only did 2 cuts with it? But
I'd have to have another try, but yeah, it does. It also actually feels a lot better in your hand.
more
too.
balanced?
It does, yeah.
That's right.
100%
The
it
big
does.
bar does. Like,
Yeah.
Don't forget, it still is 70cc this thing, so
Yeah.
it should be able to handle 24 with a good chain on it, eh? Like
Yeah.
it should really do that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, good one, Jared. I'm glad you're happy,
Yeah,
mate,
no,
eh?
very, very happy. Good on you, mate.
Yeah,
Very
that's
good.
a go.
Yeah. Good to know good people.
Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next round.